What's up everyone? Today we are unboxing the Sennheiser HD6XX. I bought these on Drop, formerly known as Mass Drop, I guess, for I think 240 bucks at the time I bought it. Price might change, sometimes it's on sale. I guess I bought it when it was not on sale. Again, link will be in the description if you're interested in buying it. So, I'm unboxing it. I'll show you what you get inside when you buy one of these. According to other reviewers, it's supposed to be some of the best you could get for the price, or at least a really good set of headphones. And I've heard good things about Sennheiser before. So, okay. Okay. Here's the box. In the box, you get some foam, an instruction manual, and the headphones. Here they are. It says, I think there's not a model number, right? It could be a serial number. And this is the branding. It still says Mass Drop on it, interestingly, because this was produced under that name while they still had that name, I guess. Okay? The cable should be detachable. Okay, so we're done unboxing it. I'll show you the headphones, I guess. Show you around them. So it's supposed to be this really deep blue color, but it looks black to me. Does it say in here? I was checking where it's made. I think it says in the box, right? Yep. Oh, that's interesting. Check this out. So there's a few HD6 series headphones. So they have the HD600, HD650, HD660S, I believe, and then the HD6XX, which is, I guess, exclusively sold on Drop. But this is interesting. I'm going to zoom in to the box. Come on, focus. Look at that. Look at the model number. Just read that for me, because I need you to see this. Come on, it's not good at focusing at this distance. Check that out. It says model HD650. 2014 0120 Rev 01. I don't know what that means at the bottom. But that's very interesting. They call this an HD650. A lot of people have said it's based on the HD650. Although, designed and engineered in Germany, made in Ireland. Warning notes inside. Well, I don't know if I should read the warnings. Maybe not. They're just headphones. HD6XX reference class headphones. But I still find it interesting. They call these HD650s. That reminds me, I don't know if I said it, but of how other reviewers say they're very similar. And did I mention the cables are detachable? So, no, they're not wireless. Obviously not. But just because the cable's detachable. Oh, wait, hold on. I guess they didn't tie this thing onto the headphones cable properly, but it doesn't matter. A little piece of tape on it that says Sennheiser. A 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter jack. An adapter. I will need it because my amp over there is a JDS Atom Plus. Atom Amp Plus, actually. So it only accepts the 1/4 inch jack. and they prevent you from plugging it in incorrectly because one pin is larger than the other. So you can only just plug it in one way. Which one's left? Oh, this is right. I should be getting it right. Come on. Okay. And just do that to reconnect it. There they are. You just reconnected the headphone cable. Okay, so how far can you adjust it? That's pretty far. So this is as far as they can possibly be adjusted. We're gonna see which one I use. But I don't know if I'll show it here because you just like increase it by increments of 1, I guess, on each side till it fits your head. That's kind of how you set up these headphones. So a little bit about them. I just remember they're 300 ohms, so that's like high impedance. Like the higher the ohms, the more power needed to drive it to power them. So I bought this. It's an external headphone amp. The video will be out about that one day. Not sure if it's after or before this, but yes, I have filmed the video on that. And I said I would be testing it with these headphones, so I'm not sure if I don't know, before or after. So I may give, this part will be in if I do give my thoughts about it. If not, I'll cut right to the next part, which you may or may not see depending on which way this video goes. I might or might not give my thoughts about this afterwards. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, consider dropping a like and hitting the subscribe button. See you next time. Okay, so I've actually found a comfortable position for the headband. I think is 9 spaces down. 8 or 9. I've hooked it up to the amplifier. Again, the JDS Labs Atom Amp Plus. It's paired with the JDS Labs Atom DAC Plus. Not sure if you can see on the sides, there are a couple speakers. Also hooked up to the amp. The current setup. These go to the speakers, these connect the amp and DAC, and it's powered by USB. I mean, it receives its signal from USB. This mainly acts as a weight so that it doesn't tip backwards. I don't know, it also looks nice. So, these are brand new headphones, as you know, so it's a little, they're a little tight, so I'm going to, overnight, I'm going to have to stretch them out somehow. I was just thinking, I will do so on that router over there. That router over there is my Netgear Orbi. It looks perfect to stretch out headphones. Not sure why. Maybe it'll be done on something else like a tissue box or something, or maybe even its own box, I don't know. Wait, where's the camera pointing? Okay. Or possibly on its own box like this. That's, there you go. I'm gonna leave it like that overnight to stretch out the headphones so they don't clamp as hard. These, I've heard somewhere that these 6X whatever series, 600 series or something, have a higher clamp force than normal, so it's going to be sat here overnight or something. I will definitely test it out today without stretching out the headphones. So I guess I'll get back to you with my thoughts about it in a few days when I've experienced these headphones once again. Okay, I've made the mistake of saying that I will make a short review along with the unboxing, because for headphones, like, it's all up to what you hear. So I don't have the vocabulary to describe how it sounds, but all I can say is that it sounds really good. So, at least compared to other headphones that I've used in the past. So next time, if I ever make videos about headphones again, I just hope I won't say that I will either describe how it sounds or make a short review about it. It will simply be the unboxing. So, or I will make a portion that I can edit out, probably at the end of that clip, so that it still doesn't look weird during editing, you know. So it doesn't have some weird breaks in the video because it's something I said that I won't actually do. Anyway, this is actually the second shot of this clip. The first one was not as good. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.